I fall in love too easily. 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 I fall in love too easily.
What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go and subscribe to my channel on the bottom right. I would greatly appreciate it. And hit me up with the thumbs up if you appreciate this video at the end of it. Alright, let's get into it. So guys, today is Thursday. Today is Supreme Drop Thursdays. I'm kind of excited because this is kind of a lackluster week. This is week 3 of fall winter 2018. And again, this is pretty lackluster week, but one of the items are pretty cool. It is the AWS 700 scale. And I know right out the bat, a lot of y'all are like, man, he's so ready. He's ready to cook up with some confectionery sugar, measure that out perfectly so he can get the perfect beignets. Exactly that, man. I'm just serious about my beignets, man. They have to have the right amount of powdered sugar. So with the model name being AWS, this is actually manufactured by a brand called American Weighing Systems. And again, with the model name being AWS 700, that stands for the maximum weight capacity on the scale, 700 grams. If you were to buy the scale on the Amazon website or AWS, you can get a black one, a gray one, or a red one, and the cost is about $10 to $20. And that's a big difference from the Supreme branded ones. As we know right now, based off of the information from Supreme community, the Supreme AWS one is going to cost about $38. So I have a couple minutes before this drop actually happens, so I'm gonna go back downstairs, head to my office, look at the European website, see if there's any like drastic things or drastic changes on the accessories panel, and place my cursor over the item in which I hope the item will be placed. So let's go. So right now there's about a couple seconds left before the drop actually happens. My cursor is hovering over the ladder in which the scale will be placed. So hopefully I can just refresh the page, click on the scale, purchase, here we go, scale. Oh my gosh, what's happening? This site's going so slow. What the hell? Okay, add to cart. Oh my god, this website. Add to cart, checkout. And check out. There is something wrong. Okay, process payment. Let's go. Am I gonna this? I'm probably not gonna cop this one. This is taking way too long. Progress bar. Okay. Check out the skateboards right quick. Come on. Of course, it's hanging up. Come on. Check the skateboards right quick. Skateboards seem to be intact still. I'm not spending $88 on them though. Alright, well, they sold out. Alright guys, so as you saw, I was not able to cop the scale, which is kind of BS. I got onto the website pretty early, made sure that all my autofill stuff was going. Got to the website when the drop happened. The website was lagging. Was the website lagging for anyone else? My internet is pretty good here at the university. It's actually, I think, a little bit faster than Google Fiber, so I don't know what's up. I post my live cop videos whether I cop or I lose out. And no, I don't use bots. I know I had a lot of people asking me which extension I'm using for autofill. I use the Google Chrome one, but if you go to like the Google store or whatever it is, I'm using an extension. It's called autofill. The icon has like a little lightning bolt on it, so that's the one I use. And I've tweaked my autofill a little bit with a little bit JavaScript coding. When it sees a checkbox, it automatically checks those things. I won't give you those scripts because that's how I cop, guys. Sorry guys. But feel free to go onto Google and look up JavaScript coding for automatically checking checkboxes. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Obviously I didn't cop. Let me know if you were able to cop this week down in the comments below. Hit me up with a thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm only trying to bring you better content. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we'll check you later. Cheers. Hook 'em.